Alright, it's time to drill into the blade so the detent can stay in there. So, best way I know how to do it will be using a piece of wood, nice little drill bit here. I'm going to squeeze, and I'm going to just tap it. All I did was just tap it a little, and I can see it. I did a good job. I just marked the surface. Alright. So, I don't know how many times I've taken this damn thing apart, but quite a bit. So, what I'm going to do now is place the pivot, put one washer, and two washers. So, two washers on this side. I'm going to take the blade, place that in, press down, and I'm going to place three washers on this side. Now, why I'm doing that? Well, because right now the blade is going off to the right, so by me placing three washers on one side, it's going to offset it and bring it to where I want it to be. Little trick I've learned years ago. Okay, that's three. Back there. A lot of pressure on this blade right now. That detent is very strong. That detent bolt is in there temporarily. I'm not going to leave it in there because I'm still going to heat treat the lock bar. Okay. Yeah, this thing is solid right now. Okay. Oops. Start to strip that screw, but not a problem. That's a dummy screw. And look at that. It's all the way to the left. That's exactly how I want it. Watch this. Why I want it like that? Because look at this. I'm maxed out. Now all I have to do is loosen it, and the blade is going to go centered. Right there should be centered. Close enough to it. I might just take off one and then go with three instead of the two. Okay, did I fall in? Uh-oh. Yeah, slightly. Detent's not as strong. Still got to drill in deeper. It's going in though. As you can see. Yep, it's not strong. It goes, but it's not strong enough. The locking mechanism is on point, however. Should I go like that? Yeah, see? Very nice. It's a little sticky, but that's how it is. So, I don't know how many times I've taken this thing apart, but as you can see, I'm going to take it apart again. Mess around with the damn washers once again, get it all lined up how I want it, and go from there.